Well, that's a first silence. We don't normally get silence. Unless... Oh, wait 1 sec. Okay, now is it connected? Wait, hold. Wait. Oh, no. Oh, no. Don't tell me I have to fucking reload. Yeah, look, chat's not updating. Your channel points. Okay, I'll refund you. God, not even a minute in. Oh, okay, okay. I mean, it worked for a bit. You know, that's the good part. It did detect for a little bit, but now it's stopped. So I what what even what why would it do that? Why would it just stop? It doesn't make sense. Yeah, please stand by, Jesus. I predicted this. I predicted this. Oh god. Okay. The reload button. That doesn't work, does it? No, nothing. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to fucking. Oh fuck my life. 1 second. Please stand by. Hold. Ah. Okay, is that it? Are we good? Somebody please tell me we're good. Oh, thank God. Yep. Well, it did this last time, but just double check. Just double check. I'm standing by. Good. Bear with me. Works. Does it? I didn't see that. What? Okay. You... And where's the music? Oh, this is. All right. I have to intro. All right. Intro done. Okay. Now work. What is that? Why does it do one message and then give up? Oh God. Fuck it. Okay. 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 I'm out. Oh, fuck this. This means nothing's gonna work. Oh, that's so annoying. What? Give me my chat. I mean, some of it's working. There you go. There's all your channel points refunded. Spawned in. Probably multiple times now. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. It's Oh my God! Shut up, Ollie! Shut up! Jesus Christ! Can't hear myself think. All right, out of it. Move, 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 move. All right, are you good? Sit the fuck down. Okay. Jesus Christ. All right. Oh, I can't even get to my desk. Okay. Just fucking yeah. Don't redeem anything. Why is this? Why is this happening? Why is this happening? Why? So I don't get. I mean, I know why. I know what I changed. I changed something with the Twitch API. Christ. Everyone explode. Yeah, that's. I don't think that's gonna work. It can't even read your messages. It's. So why does it do it? Like the first message, but then not the rest. Put me on the table. Oh, yeah, well, I got find. I can't find you. I don't know. This might end up being a dev stream, boys. Might have to go and fix the problem. Because this is why it works in testing, doesn't work in fucking live. Oh, yeah, I have no idea where you are, Puffer. Puffer? Puffer? Oh, there's Puffer. Alright, there you go, buddy. There you go. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have to dev stream, yeah. Well, it's a Tuesday, you know, it's fine. Tuesdays are for dev streams. You know, they're not as important as Saturday streams. Somewhere in the sea. But alright. Is that gonna spoil anything? It shouldn't spoil anything. Alright, well, off we go. Fucking kill me. Dev stream. What the fuck? Aiden calling me. What do you want? It's for the best. I'm sorry. It's for the best. What? Huh? You want to repeat that? Yeah, I'm sorry I banned you, but it had to happen. Okay, and he's gone. Well, there's Aiden, everybody. Goddamn. Goddamn. All right. Yeah, I banned Gulam, Aiden, and Lord Sax because recently they've been on a bit of a mad one in my chat. And oh my god, I can't anymore. I can't. All right, bear with me, boys. Bear with me. he pinged me 8 times. Oh, they're actually talking about it. Yep. Yeah, no, they're gone. They're out of it. All right, let's fix this shit. Does this work? To unban request that. Just leave them. Leave them. That's by design. Also, I should probably be in a wait for it. There I am. It's by design. They need to cool off a bit. You know, they need to cool off. They've been going a bit too ham recently. Distracting. All right, now, question is, does this work? Okay, somebody say something. Somebody say something. What's going on down here? What's going on down here? It worked. Why does it work here? Oh, it only works once. Okay, what the? Okay, so only the first message works. That's not a good bug to have. Fuck. Well, first, let's just make sure we are getting the messages. First things first. First things first. Inception, yes. All right, first things first. Let's which message and receive message down, way down. Here, so get a message. Let's just print it out. Args dot get message dot message. This is just a test that we are actually getting something. And if this doesn't work, then it's a Twitch error. If not, then it's a coding error. They got a whole new Twitch system. Poor AIDS. Poor AIDS. Normal Fender in it. All right, let's see if this. Okay, let's see if we get anything. It's a fin error. It's always a fin error. Everything I do is error. All right, try again. Wait for it to connect. It's connected. Now what? Are we going to get the first message again? Okay. Yeah, we got that one. But then what after that? Nothing. It just stops. So it's okay. We're not receiving it. Which the only thing that I can think of why that's not working is up here in the client. Here. No. Wait. Where? Oh god. Here. Credentials. This. Bot OAuth is wrong. No, but it receives it once. That makes no sense. It receiving it once is like, what even? That's They will not be the same without errors. Oh god. I'm glad you're enjoying this. Cause I'm not. Oh fuck me. I might be something here as well. Probably not though. I think it's one client. Wait, is it because it's that uses the Twitch username and the Twitch OAuth. Huh. I might need to generate a new OAuth. Should I show that? That's probably not good to show that. Twitch OAuth generator. If only password to log into chat. I don't think this is right. Oh, I don't know. So log into ISO using an OAuth token instead of a plain text password for hash. The entire presented token, including OAuth, can be substituted. To revoke access, disconnect. See, this is the hard part. Fucking Twitch end. They've changed stuff and it's just screwed everything. Fucking Twitch, dude. I swear to God. All right. Chat command identifier whisper. Auto re-listen is already true. Coding type, yeah. I'm sorry. This isn't the whole stream. This is just until I can figure out why the fuck it sends one message and then just dies. It makes no sense. Why would it do this? Oh, God, that fuck me. And it receives it. It does receive it, but then it must like time out or something. It doesn't receive a response from me or something, and I need to send. This is annoying. And how about all your messages? Yeah, you know what? Worst comes to worst. I've always got a backup in it. Workaround. How does this coming from the same place, right? Coming from here. Let's try this. Let's see if it comes out here. Even further. Log. Huh? No. Okay. Engine. There you go. All right. Let's see if that works. Oh god, this is. And if this doesn't work, then that's bad. That's very bad. That is humanly possible. I mean, it is possible. Not practical, but it's possible. And yeah, definitely not my first choice. Fine, just consider this that I'm like 20 minutes late, probably 30 soon. You know, which I tend to do. All right, how about now? Okay, first message, and nothing after that, right? Yeah, nothing after that. And yeah, it doesn't even. Oh, you bitch. Why this? If this didn't show at all, that would make so much sense. But the fact that it works the first time means I have to send something to Twitch to let them know that I'm not like, I don't know, a spammer or something. How do I do that? You're an hour early. Exactly. Hmm. What if I look up? Twitch, IRC, receive one message, then none. I don't know where you find what you have to do. But see, that none of them is just like either it doesn't connect at all is like the main thing that people not receive one message then none. That just makes no sense. And it's all like from 2016 and shit's changed like in 2023. So is this C++? C sharp. Best language ever. C sharp. Makes no sense. Yeah. Tell me about it. There's like a ping thing you have to do. Especially ping, like ping pong. They send ping, you have to respond pong, and if you don't, then bad shit. Normal message flow. After connecting to the server, the first messages that all bots must send are the pass and nick messages. These messages are used to authenticate the user account that the bot is running. Okay. Once the server successfully authenticates your bot, the next step is to send a join message to the join chat room. Does it do that? I thought it did that automatically, but maybe it's changed. C Shark? Yeah, C Shark. Best language. I'm taking C++. It's a pain in the... What, are you trying to, like, work in Unreal? Isn't that just C? Or is that C++? Ugh, cringe. Unreal. Where would I do this? Client? I thought it would do it here. You know, they'd handle all this. Start connecting. Send raw, raise event. Join. Where does it do join? Does it not do join? Where does it send join? This isn't even my code. This is just their code. I mean, I know how to fix this worst comes to worst, but then it's going to undo all the work I did and got it working. I'd rather not do that. Oh, God, there's so much stuff. Here, like ping pong. So it does handle it. Right? Wait, didn't I just put a thing here? Login authentication. Failed. Okay, let's just debug.log. Oh, fuck me. Unity engine.debug.log IRC message. And yeah, that's a string. Yep. Okay, well, let's see what they say. If it's like, oh, yeah, login failed, then that would make sense. It's made out of floor. Yeah, exactly. Easy. Java's the best. Java's literally the same as C Sharp. That's why I like it so much. I was good at Java, and then C Sharp was pretty much the same thing. Yeah, what we coding? We're not coding. We're trying to fix this bullshit system that's broken. Spaghetti code? I mean, isn't all code spaghetti code to the outside eye? All right, take 3. We good? Probably not, but here's to hoping. Oh, it doesn't even get the first one anymore. Why? I didn't change anything. I added a debug that doesn't do anything. So why is this? Reload. Okay, we're getting stuff. Now somebody say something. Yeah, 1, and then nothing. God. Why? Why? Why you do this? Why you did? Why? Maybe it's not the message. Oh no, it should print something regardless. Oh fuck my life. I'm going to break something. So it's not even doing this, right? Not initialized. Maybe it's doing this. No, it's not throwing anything. So it is getting through. This is so annoying. Is it every time I reload, does it like allow another message? I wonder. I wonder. No. Wait. Yeah, it does. Every time I reload it, it allows another message through. Didn't show it there for some reason. Hmm. 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 If I reload again, maybe I just have to reload every second. All right, and then yeah. See, look, we get So every time I reload, why? Okay, so what happens when I reload? I assume it just reconnects. Where's reload? Oh, I don't even know where. Control panel. Workaround potentially. Potentially. Switch.reconnect. This just says that, which does this, which does that, which does this, which does. Yeah, it just creates a whole new thing. Right. Right. Yeah, I get Tanner and Twix that mix up all the time. 2 T's, man. It's hard. Why can't you just have like different layers? Make things easy for everyone. Tea and orange names is exactly. I think it's here. This not good. Oh, wait, there's parameters. What? Uh, Client protocol. Oh, what does any of this mean? I don't know what that means. All right, probably not that then. Probably back here. I could just go through all of the different. It's got to be OAuth. OAuth changed. Which OAuth? Still needs it. Which WebSocket URI? Which? That's changed. WebSocket URI. Oh, but no, WebSocket's nothing to do with it, is it? Oh. This is just gobbledygook. What does any of this mean? Yeah, no, not that. Um. Hmm. Hmm. God, fucking damn, dude. Anyone disputing the fact that Twixter is an A-tier viewer? Just remember, he is a mod. He does have power now. What about if I just do my channel instead? This one? Maybe. I don't know. Let's see what this does. Fuck it. Alpha coding is just trial and error. D-power. Fuck is that? Yes, I said it. I decreed it. It is fact. It is fact. He's a trial mod. Every mod is a trial mod. I feel like you become a proper mod after, like, I don't know, a few months. Oh, I didn't like that. Get rid of this. Oh. You know where the problem is. Whatever fucking combination of this. Dev stream. Yeah, well, not normally. I just long intro. Something broke really badly. And I'm trying to fix it, and it's just being a bitch. So partial dev stream. Okay, so didn't like that one. Did not like you that one. See what Twitch Lib has to say about this. Maybe something changed. Actually, no, something did change. I don't know why I didn't check this before. All right, what do they suggest? Twitch username access token. So it is access token. It's not OAuth. The liars. Why does it say OAuth? See that Twitch OAuth? That's not the same. I don't think that's the same as an access token. Fucking jabronis, dude. I swear to God. This is just the access token. Like one of these. Try that one first. Oh, I'm going to break their shins. I swear to God. Need to go to football biofid. Bioball. Is that American football or real football? If it's real football, then props. Props to you. American. Wait, how do you know? You're not Opal. Better be American football. No! Okay, not that one. Not that one. Next. That one. Might actually end up making my account send the command soon. Either way, have a good time. Oh, yeah. Implied. Have a good time. Probably should have started with that. I think he's gone. Okay. How's this? No, did not like that one. Why this bad? Not found. Okay. Access token and try with the bot, and then we'll try with my username. Having the best time. Yeah, vibing. No music, just silence. This isn't a moment to be celebrated, so there's no music. You'd have to listen to me whine. Listen to my voice. This would be great for Twigster's AI voice. If you want some unfiltered, no background music voice. Then there you go. Didn't like that. Did not like that. How about this one? My channel. Why is this all? Might just have to copy paste their shit and hope it works. Okay, yeah, okay. None of it's working. You know what? Just undo all of this. Comment it out. Down here. Oh, why I needed. Are you coding on the computer while being on the VR? Well, I don't really use VR anymore. VR's a kind of a bitch. So yeah, no VR. VR gone. VR not worth it. Still have VR kind of, but not to the degree I used to. All right, take 3. Come on, just import whatever. I don't care. Timespan system.timespan. Yep, client options. Import whatever. I don't know. Done. Now Twitch username. An access token. Channel. Channel is my channel. Twitch username. Bot. Access token. Secret.getString. Yeah. Oh, there's so much stuff. It could be any one of these. 1, 2. No, it's not going to be the ID. 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be 4 different things. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 4. Bot access token or the bot command access token or the bot OAuth or the bot secret. And we try each of these one at a time. Whichever one it works, it works. I mean, this literally can't go wrong. I copied it from them. It's literally the same thing. How could this go wrong? I mean, it's what they say to do, right? I didn't miss anything else. Wait. What's this? Oh, right. Oh, wait. Eh? Nani? Wait, was this in C#? Basic. Maybe the API needs to change as well. We'll deal with the API later. The API worked when I was doing testing. Doing the SpongeBob movie. I'm coding for 35 minutes. I mean, like 15. First 15. Well, 5 was the intro. Next 10 was me complaining. Goddamn. Trial and error. Why is this bad? Oh, damn it. It probably is the OAuth, isn't it? Probably this one. Yeah, that one worked originally. At least we got one message out of that one. And if this does the one message thing again, oh god, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. Please. I beg you. Fuck me. Alright. Now it's just not even working how it was originally working. Why? Why is this a thing? Who made this a thing? It's literally the same thing as I did before. But look, that. The same as that. But this one worked. This one no work. I am at a loss. At a loss. Wait, why does it create a new one? Oh, wait. Wait, no, Interesting. I should probably be doing this further up then. Yoink. We'll take all of it. Be up here. We don't need more. Then it does it here and does that, and then it subscribes. Next. End. I don't know. And this can all just fuck off to hell. Maybe. Not fun, it's a pain in the ass. This stuff is. Because this isn't like coding, this is just figuring out what the fuck Twitch is doing. They changed everything. Like, they announced it back in September. It's recently gone into effect in February. Like 2 days after I started streaming, they changed everything. And now I've got to figure out what the fuck is all this new shit. And none of it makes sense. You know? Stupid. But it's fun. It's fun when it's not this. It's fun when it's not related to Twitch in any way. The Twitch stuff is boring. I just want to access the Twitch stuff. Like, what is this? Ugh. Why is this bad resource exception? Why? What resource am I... What resource am I trying to access? Please do tell. Where's this? Here? Oh. Oh. Oh, this isn't even related. Maybe it was working. This is somewhere. This is just getting the view account. Oh. Uh, oh. Hmm. Okay. Development. Development in the plot. Yeah, let's just wait until loading dot is loaded is true. This is just, a little loading intro segment. Just wait until that's done. Then do your bullshit. Right? I mean, this probably underline ain't. That doesn't spell well, but. All right. That will at least get rid of that error. Hey, please. I don't. Yep. Yeah, green line not good. Red line good. Because red line tell you what wrong. Green line just like, it might be wrong, but it's kind of fine, but maybe not. You know? A lot more vague. More up in the air. All right. How about bro? Why is this not valid? You know what? Where's this even called from? Right here. You know what? Just don't call this anymore. You know what? Just don't. Just fuck off. Oh. Underline might mess up the code. Green underlines are like, yeah. They just mean something's deprecated, so they're no longer used. Probably outdated, but they still like function. We love coding. Well, that makes one of us. Ugh. Alright, so just don't do that, and then what happens? No errors. That's a good start. Any messages? Huh? No, no messages. Okay, now we go back to our original thing that we thought was broken but wasn't actually broken. Yeah. We'll try again. One by one. Well, this one clearly doesn't work, so we can get rid of that one. Or access token. Try this one. For the love of God. Praying to the non-existent God. Help me now, and I will forever suck your dick in the gates of heaven. Please. 43 minutes in, and I haven't even started. At least this is a good warm-up time. People can join. Those that are around. All right, take two. Anything. No. Nothing. I reload. Nothing. What did I just hit? Nothing. If I, no, yeah, it's just silence. Silence is somehow worse. It's just not talking to me anymore. Just not, give me the silent treatment. You know what? Log error, just turn out more. Edge. Wait, this is still connecting, right? Sign equals, yeah. It connects. Right. It chose my. This one. That is thriving in silence, yes. Be on your best behavior. It works. Yeah, I'm gonna need to suck a lot more dick before this works. God is not satisfied with my technique. Anything. For the love of God, please. Anything. Anything. I beg you. I mean, it said message. It's not showing message. Anyone? Someone else. Someone else say something. Fuck. Just the one. God. Oh, God. Why? Why now? Why? Get one message. That's it. Fuck. Um. Mmm. Oh. Secrets. I don't even know why. Fucking bothering. Ah, shit. I'm gonna have to generate a new thing, aren't I? God damn it. App secret is not an access token. Okay, well this this isn't gonna work. What am I missing? What am I missing? Access token. This whole access token. The most infuriating thing. Let's try. Let's see if my channel can do it. Worked once before. Happens again. Oh. Arm fin. Arm. Inner peace. Inner peace. How was that one miss? You are. Probably be a bit more specific than just message. Fuck. All right. Inner peace. Okay, I need some music to chill me out before I break Twitch and fucking do dudites. In peace. Oh, that's better. Oh, that's better. I like that. Maybe a bit much. Down a bit. Oh. Oh. Breathe. In. And out. Oh. I'm gonna cross my legs like that. That's how you really get inner peace. Ah. Weird. Considering I don't move much, I'm pretty flexible when it comes to my legs. Oh. Yes, this ain't working. I'm still pissed off. Listen, I'm getting more relaxed. I'm getting more relaxed. Face reveal when? That is my face, right there. That's me. I have genetically very large earlobes and metal hair. Apparently, I'm golden. That's racist. Godspeed. Well, to be fair, none of this is being recorded, so it's not even going to like show up as you've attended yet. Hello, human. Hello. Welcome. To hell. You know, this ain't doing it for me. Bro. Singing. Hello, Barkin. This is where it's at now. This is where it's at. Horse. Horse indeed. That Maui? I don't know. Maybe. Been straight facts. Where's Legend? That's the one. All right, I'm just gonna leave this on. Back to work. All right, let's get this fixed. Oh, a big man or a tiny horse? That is a big man. That's a regular size horse. All right, come on. We're gonna get us to work. Come on. Access token. Right. Run. Run. Please. The throat singing gods. I beg of you. The meme noise. Bro, don't diss my national anthem. All right. Any message. Come on. That's all I'm looking for. A message. I see message. Is that just one? Yep, there's just one. Why does it do this? Why is it just one message? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. The repeater code. But see, the thing is, I would just get it. I just work around, get it to like refresh, you know, like reload. But look, it stutters every time it tries to connect to Twitch. So unless I want like a slideshow stream, damn problems, always having problems. Life is just full of problems. Look at this L streamer. Why did this not even show up in here? That doesn't make any sense either. Oh god. Um. Loud. I genuinely, I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong with this. This son of a bitch lied to me. General example. When was this last updated? I don't think it was recently, because this shit don't work. Maybe if I... What if I listen to the log? What if it tells me what's wrong? We have that? Let's see. Client dot... On announcement, ban, channel, date. That's just for going live. Chat clear, chat color, chat command, community search, connected, connection error. All right, let's listen to that. Oh, you can do something. Belt, right? There's like a thing you can do. What is it? You can subscribe to. I'm just gonna have to create a whole new fucking method. On connection error, args. Private void on connection error. On connection error. Args. Object sender. We're just gonna have to do everything, boys. We're gonna have to probably args dot door args dot or whatever. I don't even care anymore. I don't even care. On connection error. That. On connection. That. All right. Why is that? This isn't it. Huh? What? Oh. On connection error. Huh? It's still not. Huh? Oh, I hate this. On connection error args. What's wrong with this? Oh. I'm gonna kill someone. I'm gonna kill someone. Why? It's literally the same. Is it harder because you're streaming? Well, a bit more pressure now because I've got to get this done. I'm meant to be streaming now. You know? Okay. Okay. No overload matches on connection error args, but it has connection error args. Literally connection error, unless it's after. Why? Why? Lila. What did I miss? Absolutely nothing. We haven't started yet. When bot suffers connection error. I want to know this, but why, you know, what's for everything else? Everything else does the same method. You know? Yeah, just... You have object sender, object sender. I tried that and nothing. Check a Twitch panel. Yeah, no, because like if that doesn't work, the whole thing doesn't work. You know, the Twitch interactive thing is what I'm trying to do, and it doesn't work. Then I can't stream. So if I can't get this fixed, then there is no stream today. Badge. I have to do a double stream on Thursday. I mean, maybe this counts as a stream, even if all else fails. Was it? So why? You know, likey. Literally the same. Types a day. Alright, that's enough of this. What? Object references. Wait, is this static? Oh, it's Oh, I'm stupid! It's static. Yeah, that fucking fixed it. Of course it did. Fine. Just keep on it. Hit on it. So, connection error. Yep. On error, we also want that. That's on error event args. Yep. Copy, paste. On error event args. What does this have? Exception. Message. Sure. We whack that here as well. No, that's not. Wait, no, not on error. Wait, what did I name this? Really going delirious already. Wait, what? Oh. On. No. On error event. There we go. On error event goes error. Oh, God, I'm gonna break my. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Not ideal. Not ideal. Failure to receive join confirmation. That sounds probably useful. On join failed event. I don't know. Connection on join. On failure to join. Debug.log. Thing. Except details. Huh. All right, we're gonna literally just print everything, see what it tells us, and if it doesn't tell us anything, then I am done. I'm just done, because then I don't know what else to do. On failure, that incorrect login, maybe that'll something. What is that? Incorrect login args. On incorrect login, then login args. Exception. Also have a correct login. Failed to join Twitch. Error. Twitch connection error. Oh, you know, might gotta keep things pretty. That. Log in, add that. Right, how many other things are there? On, join, left, log. Do we want on log? Probably. Message throttled. Yeah, that could be what's going on, you know? 24-hour stream. Yeah. Maybe soon. Saturday's a 12-hour stream, then after that, then we'll work up to the 24-hour stream. Oh god, so many things. Okay, let's just do on log. On log event. On throttled on message throttle the event fine on join left that new sub no permission. Yep. No things on no permission event dot on rate channel rate no rate limit. First one send message has been applied to the client. I don't know, probably not. No. Self raid, no. Send receive. Sub only suspended, unaccounted for. Advise when data is received from Twitch that is not able to be passed. Sure. On unaccounted for. User ban, user intro. How does it use it? Didn't even know that was a thing. Hey, tacos, buy tacos. Red line something wrong. So yeah, they don't exist yet. I'm just doing them all here. Just get them out of the way. I'll create them like a whisper. No, I don't. All right, I think that's everything. Everything that we could possibly debug or want to debug. Once I made the things. Just so I don't forget what I'm doing. Just boing. Right here. Private static void on log event. On log args. Oh, you always have to add the object sender, but you do. Log args dot what? I don't know which one it is. Not pub sub. Twitchlib.client. Twitchlib.client. What is it? I don't know. Models. Dot on logger. Which what? Coding, am I right? Twitchlib.client.models. What? Oh, twitch.client.events. Not model. Kill me. There we go. Args.what? Args.store plus args.data. That's done. Void on message throttle event object and on throttle throttled args dot message. Yep, cool. Private static void on no permission event object sender on no on permit. What is it? Oh, it just doesn't even have a type. I guess nothing then. Log error. No Twitch permission. That work? Guess you still need the object. Oh no, you don't need the object. Right? No, oh, still fucked. Event handler. What? What? I don't know. Oh, what do you want from me? I don't know. How do I match this? What's for everything else? There is no lurk. Wait, what does a lurk command do anyway? I see that in other people's streams. Yeah, feel free to I don't know, take a break, boys. Nothing interesting happening at the moment. If I'm still here, still coding, it means I haven't fixed it. And if I'm not here, then it means I couldn't fix it. Eric, no. How do I? Just got to be nothing, surely. This makes no sense. This fucking stupid. God. And I don't know. Fuck this. Whatever. Didn't work, did it? Nope. Kill me. How do you sub to this? Event args. Oops. Huh? You likey? Hey, you likey. All right. And finally, god damn. Private static void on uncounted. And on debug.log error accounted args dot Control IRC. Why not? That's it, right? That's everything we could want to log. Did you fix it? The fact that I'm still coding means I did not fix it. If it was fixed, I would not be. I'd either be streaming my game or I would have ended stream out of pure rage. But this isn't a fix. This is just to see if it will tell me what the fuck is wrong. And if it doesn't tell me anything, then I don't know what else to do. If I can't debug it, then there's no fixing it, really. I'm going to have to swap back to the old system. Okay. So we're getting some logs. That's good. Somebody send a message. Uh-huh. How about 2? Why? Yep, well, it looks like I have to end stream. This is completely fucked. Why is this? This makes no sense. Doesn't even log anything. It gets one message and it's like, nah, I'm good. Just gonna die now. Like, how does that make any sense? It makes no sense. What? There is... Okay, there is actually one solution I can think of. It's using the old system and the new system. Using the old system for messages, using the new system for the thing that I don't want to reveal too soon. It's in the patch notes. Maybe I just do that. Let's just replace all these. All right. I'm gonna try a pretty wild last half whatever attempt. It's been a minute. Yeah, it's been a minute. Hour and 13 in, and it's still fucked. My thing broke. I'm still trying to fix it. After an hour. God damn. All right. I've got one last ditch attempt to fix this. This doesn't work. Then yeah, I'm just gonna have to end stream because I don't know what else there is to do, quite frankly. So I was just gonna break everything. Since I popped in, yeah. It's not a usual stream. Being honest, it's fairly abnormal. Right, where's... deleted it, didn't I? All right, you can fuck off. Yeah. There we are. So this is all the old shit I used. I need this. Or is it this? No, I need this. Maybe that. This is going to break everything, potentially. If it doesn't, I'll be happy. Plugins, which... drag them in. Okay. Right. And then, yeah, you do that, whatever. I'm actually to delete this. It'll compile. I wasted my channel points earlier. I'll refund you. I added refunds back to anything under 5K? 5K and below. All right. Refund. There you go. You should get your points back. All right. What broke? How many errors? I mean, there's always errors. You did get it back, right? Yep, that's a lot of errors. All right. Now, what if I delete this? Or is this needed elsewhere? You know, I'm not going to delete it. I'm just going to drag it out. Drag this to there. Okay, me more. Okay. Everything but one thing. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's to be expected. So then we go to the desktop. The backup. I saved this because I knew if I changed it, it might completely just shit the bed. I might need to go back to it one day. Me preparing for my future fuck ups. All right, be gone, thought. Let's come back, thought. I miss you. I miss you so much. My old code. Okay, right. If we go to the top, I want to replace this with just a regular client. Right. Wish they've got Unity. Oh, come back to me. Right. Is that going to break anything? I didn't break that much. Well, anything actually. Then we go back down here. Connect. Yeah. API. Oh wait, that's exactly the same. Client.connect needs to here. Client equals new client. All right, and then where did I put it? Here, I think. Did I? Client.connect. Client. Client. Connect. Oh, literally right there. I'm blind. Okay, we don't need that. All right, so this should be back to how things were. This is how it was when things were functional. If this doesn't work, something's getting broken. They really did. They really shit the bed. You know why? Because before, the whole reason I had to do this, right, was because my bot couldn't send commands. They changed it, so you have to do some backwards ass, really hard shit to just like time someone out or something or anything. To do a slash command, it has a whole fucking, parade just to do a simple command. They removed the ability for a bot to send a slash command. Why would you do that? It's stupid. It's genuine morons at Twitch. Like, just leave it in. Have both. But why remove such a stupid fucking morons? Actually, he screwed everything over. It's like, why? It wasn't hurting anyone allowing bots to send slash commands instead of having to. Look, I'll show you what I have to do now to send the slash command. If I want to time someone out, I now need to get that, like, the user ID of the person I want to time out. I then have to get the user ID of my channel. I have to get the user ID of the person doing the timing out, which is the bot. Then I have to do this and use the ban thing. There isn't even a timeout thing. Use ban, which does both timeouts and bans. Put in all the things. Do the request with the reason and the duration. Like, all of this. When I could just do, like, before I could just do send slash timeout, like slash timeout username. That was all I had to do before. Now I got to do all this. And I hate it. Nah. Stupid. Fucking stupid. All right, please work. Please work. I need a W. I've too many L's. Too many L's. One W. One W. What? Why are things burning? Oh, what the fuck? That doesn't sound healthy. That doesn't sound healthy. Why is that burning? What's burning? Probably my code. Library. Oh, the library's fucked. All right. Got to delete the library now. Fun. Hopefully after this, then it'll work. Resist the urge race. Don't worry. I'm calm. Relatively. Mildly infuriated, but calm. So library script assemblies. Library script assemblies. I can just delete this, right? Delete. Oh wait, I'm still in the thing. Delete. and then reopen. I think you can just delete whatever you want in the library. I've deleted the whole thing before and it just regenerates. That should be alright to just delete that. Yeah, it pops right back into existence. Alright, then hopefully this will fix whatever the fuck it is that broke. Okay. Okay. This doesn't work. I mean, I've made like 50 threats at this point, but I swear to God. Because this is using the previous system. If that's this assembly can cause crashes in the runtime. Why is it broke? What broke about this? What if I just drag it out and drag it back in? Yeah, boom. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Compile. Compile. Okay, boys. Taking a while to fucking compile, aren't you? Hey, your time. Not like there's a rush or anything. I mean, I am an hour and a half in. Oh, and there goes. They're really trying me today, aren't they? Script update for. Oh, I'm just gonna have to delete the whole fucking library thing, aren't I? God damn. And that takes a little while to come back. No, oh, that's not. No, that's not what I wanted to do. That's not what I wanted to do. No, that's the bad one. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's still here, right? Okay. Get the fuck out of here. Hello? Out of here. Oh. This one. That's why you come back. Okay. File. Filing. Take your time. Okay. To be deleted. Close this. Delete the whole fucking thing. How many gigabytes is this? Oh shit. Probably gonna take that. No wonder it takes a while. It's like 5 gigabytes. Maybe more. Almost 6 gigabytes. Code stream. Yeah. No, I'm still fixing it. Stream has yet to start. It's coming. Don't worry. It's on the way. On the way. All right. This is going to take a while to fucking reinstall. So, I need some. Come back. All right. Now we wait. Now we wait. Oh, this does its fucking thing. I'm over here coding for my own class while I listen to Finn. Well, I hope I'm giving you inspiration. It doesn't get easier from here. Trying to show chat on the screen, but it's fucking up. Yeah, no, it's just not connecting to Twitch because I did a new system. And now I'm trying a last-ditch attempt to bring back the old system and keep the new system at the same time. Because, they both have plus sides. The old system actually worked. The new system has some features that I didn't have before. So, trying to get the best of both worlds. If that works, then I will be at peace. I will be at peace. Been here for a while, yeah. Yeah. Don't worry, boys. The stream will start soon. We're going by the old time zone, and I'm just running late. It's fine. Oh, God. Fine. Still, be like the Buddha. Be like the Buddha. Oh, I'll relax now. I mean, I don't, but I like to say it. You say it enough, eventually, or if you pretend for long enough, eventually you'll forget that you're pretending, and you will be calm, at peace. That's what I've been doing my whole programming career. I pretend that I'm a programmer. Eventually, I forgot that I was pretending. Now I'm a programmer. Really, fucking idiot. How are you boys doing today? Feel like we haven't talked. Cold text. Cold shouldering me. I didn't say hello. I was so caught up in my work. I neglected my children. Relaxing and chilling. Good to hear. Back from hooping. Play basketball. I used to play basketball. That's pretty decent in my youth. Time. Good to hear, boys. Good to hear. Oh, shit. You always need to take a minute just to calm down. Realize things ain't that bad. They ain't that bad. They never are. I don't know, dying or something, but they're never that bad. Gotta be a stoic. I try and live my life. Stoicism. The situation is only ever as bad as you make. All mental mind game things. Yeah, explaining it very well, I am. I should be a philosopher. I fucking love philosophy. Thinking. Pondering. I think if I was going to be religious, I'd probably be a Buddhist. They seem to know what's going on. Or maybe a Sikh. Sikhs like to party. But Buddhists, Buddhists are pretty comfortable. I just want to be comfortable. Who doesn't? I don't like going outside of my comfort zone. I'm not much of a... Oh, and it's lagging. Goddamn. Jesus. When you're installing a fucking skybox shader would be so costly. Is it not the most wonderful time of the year? Honestly, nah. For us, it's, kind of still a little bit wintry, a little bit chilly. Coming into spring, kind of, but not, warm at all. So, yeah, kind of shitty. Always grey. Rains a lot. I like rain, though. Only issue is my window's kind of boarded up, so I can never see the rain. But, I can hear it sometimes when I don't have my headphones in. As much as I hate summer, see, the thing is, I hate every season. Summer's too hot, winter's too cold. It's just English weather's just shit. Fuck spring, yeah, spring can be shit. 90% of spring is shit. There's like 10% where it's actually really nice. Like the part of spring that's the best is where like oh shit, it's starting to get warmer now. Like you go outside and it's warm. And you're like, winter's over. That's a great feeling. All is best. Honestly, maybe actually, yeah. Like the early part of like autumn. That's probably the best. Winter would be sick if there was snow here, but there's never snow because of smog and pollution and shit. But like, yeah, the start of like, so it's still like warm, but it's not, 30, 40 degrees. Summer at night. Summer at night is really fun, yeah. I love being outside, just in a t-shirt and shorts at like 1 in the morning, and it's still like, it's just nice. It's just a nice temperature. Perfect. Perfect. And yeah, falls go. Well, we get rain all the time, so that's that's not limited to a season. Always just raining. Yeah, I like autumn. Autumn probably the best. Yeah, honestly, I love just standing in the rain. Most people want to get out of it, but I quite like it. Refreshing. Plus, you get a free shower out of it. Dude, my mum made me a smoothie. I haven't drunk it all day. It was, it's kind of a weird smoothie. It's good. It's like 50% apple juice, and like the other half is like blended apple, ginger, which has a bit of a kick. Other fucking nutrients. She thinks I'm getting too skinny, which I kind of am. I am deteriorating rapidly, boys. I'm like gonna end up like that guy from Invincible, Robot Man, real body. I'm just wasting away. I code too much, so my muscles are just like fading. Makes me get mad skinny. So she's trying to, beef me up a bit. I don't know if smooth is the right way to go, but I commend her for trying. I just need to get back into exercise. Need to start rock climbing again. Need to go. Wait, what did I do for exercise? Just walks, honestly. Play Minecraft. Could do that. But Minecraft like takes up 100% of my CPU. So, or the modded one does. I got to spare everything I can for recreating this library folder. I did rock climb, yes. Yes, I did. Good times. Good times. Until my friend or acquaintance at university dislocated his ankle and forever traumatized me. But I think I'm over it now. I think I'm ready to get back into it. Because I hate, broken, dislocated anythings. And I had to stare at it for 4 hours, taking him to the hospital. So, and that was from a rock climbing fall. Like he was climbing up the wall, and like he just slid down the wall, and his foot went between the mat and the wall, and just twisted like 90 degrees. And after that, I was just like, nah. You know what? Bouldering just ain't for me. Rope climbing, not for me. The risk ain't worth it anymore. But because I almost, and the same guy, I almost dropped. He's quite a fair bit heavier than me, and I was carrying him or like rope. What's the word? Spotting, I guess. I was spotting him, and like he was on his way down, and because he's so heavy, the rope just started to go through the harness just faster and faster, and like it was too fast for me to grab onto it, so he was just falling. But I managed to like grab the rope and slow it down. Rope burned my hands, but like after that, I was like, dude, fuck this. Like, nah. I just could have just killed this boy if I didn't, injure myself. What's happening? The library is re-whatevering the top right. Hopefully once this does it, everything will be fixed. So we're just a little catch up. This is my intro, seeing as I didn't do one earlier because I was so wrapped up in fixing stuff. I used to run around a 10k and I couldn't run for 2 months. I need to run again. I want to get into running, as bad as it is for your knees. I don't use my knees, so it's fine. But yeah, I need to get back into running. Not that I was ever into it, but I feel like it'd be a good skill to have. Be able to run a lot. Hour and a half intro. Yeah. Yeah. Hour and a half intro. Stream starting soon. I still have stuff to show off. It's fun. Yeah, I always feel, well, I feel absolutely terrible. I hate running, like, the process of running, and I hate the immediate feeling after because I just feel like shit, and usually I throw up because I don't know, maybe I'm allergic to exercise or something, but yeah, but then like an hour or two after I do the run, oh god, you just feel so awake, so much energy. Great. I also have terrible running shoes, so I always get blisters because I haven't bought shoes in like 5 years. Hello, Phineas. Hey, Phineas123, aka Finn. Oh, another Finn. Love to see it. You sharp good? The best. It's the best. Running releases endorphins in your brain. It's like taking drugs. Yeah. I got the runner's high once. Oh my god. Get a lot of bugs and shit on stream. Yeah. Yeah. And a Brit as well. A fellow Finn Brit. And he has two ends. I love that. Most other Finns, they only have one end. Nah, the real Finns. The OGs. Two ends. You like fish sticks? I like fish sticks in my mouth. Yes, I do. And pay me enough to run. Oh, don't you one end me. That's it. I should make that a bannable offense. Sacrilege, dude. Two ends. It just looks like too short with one end. Like fin on a fish, you know? Cringe. Do you know the joke? Yeah, I've watched South Park. I have that tartar sauce. Tartar sauce overrated. You can't jail me now? Ha! Little does he know. Little does he know. You'll see. You'll see. Give it time. Give it time. Ah, what did you clip? What did you clip? An L opinion? I thought it's also just like kind of nothingness. It doesn't have a like strong taste. Yeah. I was gonna say, oh yeah, running high, dude. One time when me and my boys went interrailing around Europe, right? Just got on a train, hot from city to city. We went Amsterdam. We went Berlin, Prague, Budapest, Zagreb, and then Slovenia. And in Slovenia, went to this place called Lake Bled. Oh my god, never been to a more beautiful place. I haven't traveled much, so that's not saying much. But god damn, dude, Lake Bled. It's like this bowl of mountains, and in the middle is a lake, a little island in the middle, and it's just the most picturesque place. So like we were partying, for the other 5 cities, right? So this was kind of our detox before we went home. And one day we decided to go on a run. It was more of a hike. We went on a hike, up a little bit up the slope of the mountain through the woods. And all my friends are, very fit, very athletic. Then there's me, the game programmer. And yeah, I made it like halfway up, threw up. Had to take a 10-minute break. But then, oh god, when I made it to the top, it was like, oh yeah, great. I did it. I made it, and I was exhausted, but feeling good. And then we had to go back down. And I don't know why. I think after all the exhaustion and stuff, just on the way down, there was just a path. And it's just going downhill. Like, we're trying to, we start like jogging down it. But then, if you go down here, you start to pick up speed. And before long, I was just running downhill. And I don't know what happened. Before I was like feeling ill, I was exhausted. But then just suddenly halfway down this hill, yeah, it must have been the runner's high because I just felt I could go for a marathon. I was not tired. I was running as hard as I could, and just not getting tired at all, And I just felt so good, so much energy. I've only ever felt like that once, and that was the only time. But oh my god, never happy. And I was just running with my boys, It was such a great experience, great time. You know, for a guy that's shut in 90% of his life. Yeah, pretty good. Because fortunately, my friends were like the popular ones. They were friends with me from primary school, and then I kind of went off high school sort of with the nerdy crowd, and they went off with the cool kids crowd. But we always were friends throughout the whole thing, and so that's how I got like 90% of my social life at high school was through them. The only reason I was invited to parties, I was plus one. So it was nice. It was nice. I appreciate them. I know what happens when you know sport. Yeah, yeah. Did you ever experience the air of Sao Paulo City? What now? Where's Sao Paulo? Sounds Spanish. Thought about another way to choose the next minigame. You can create polls that cost channel points to vote in them. You can make it so people can vote multiple times. Summary, people can use their channel points to choose the next minigame. Why don't you do that with predictions? You can vote with channel points, I think. I could make my own version of that. Predictions, I don't know. We'll see. I feel like spinning the wheel is more fair though, because people, you know, it would just be like if it's channel points, those with the most channel points will get to determine what game we play. You know, it's not very democratic. So that's, I mean, I guess it's more true to real life that the top 1% of the ones getting to dictate what happens. So get stage 5 cancer by getting in contact with the air there. How bad is it? I speak Portuguese, and remember, it's been almost 3 months now. Dude, keeping track of everyone's nationalities is the hardest fucking part of any community. With a fortune, yeah. See, it's more fair if it's if it's just a wheel. But yeah, no, I don't want to make it so those with the most channel points get to choose the next minigame. Because Dharma, you literally have the most channel points. You're just going to choose every minigame. Can't be having that. I'll make it fair. So I either make it so everybody gets the equal, same amount of votes, or it's just random. It deflates the economy. This is a stream. There is no economy. So yeah, from where am I, Finn? You could not guess. I assume not an English-speaking country. That's my guess. God, how long does it take for this fucking library to install? Like barely halfway. God damn. You missed a shit ton of streams. Well, you should be farming points right now. This is easy XP. All right. Not Bolivia. I don't know. There's a lot of countries, dude. A lot of non-English speaking countries. All right, let's try this smoothie I made. Num num. Oh, God, that has a kick. Fucking ginger, dude. Someone didn't take economics class? Yeah, for good reason. Fucking hate all that. Think I know what a tax is? Not a chance. Not a chance. Venezuela. That was a good guess. Good guess. Free money is what economy is. I mean, no. That's I don't know, socialism, communism. I'm in economics right now. Are you learning about taxes? Could you teach me what a tax is? I have no idea. I signed up with HMRC recently, which is the IRA of the UK. And now I'm afraid that I'm probably going to go jail now because I'm going to forget to do something. I'm keeping track of all my like income from Twitch. Although now I've got like Streamlabs income, which is PayPal, and keeping track of that is nowhere near as easy because they come in one donation at a time. Twitch, lumps it all together once a month, but Streamlabs, every single donation is a different thing. Do I keep track of that? Do I not? Do I just like wait till the end of the month then do that? Is there like a total somewhere? Oh god, I don't even. If I know what we're learning about, I'm cheating, as you should. That's a good thing about being a computer scientist. Cheating is encouraged. Copying other people's code is like 90% of the job. But it doesn't even have access to the internet. Do they not? I don't know much about geography. Wait, oh shit, is it done? Oh, it's done. Oh god, yeah, okay, I might just closed a few things. It's fine, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. What is done? It's done. It's finally done. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to end stream. As simple as that. This doesn't fucking work. Why is it burning? This just makes no sense. It's just, why are you broken? After all that. Well, I think this isn't working because this isn't working, and this isn't working. All right. Yeah, oh, twitchlib.unity. Okay, I might have to reinstall this. What happens if I delete that? Something's always burning. I don't know. How do you not know what each library does? Dude, you don't touch the library. The library isn't something you do. It's just there for reference. I have no idea what libraries do. Yeah, me neither. You don't need to with Unity. That's the great part. They get rid of all the boring shit. They handle that. But we don't have to. Good system. Good system. Never give up. Well, I'm going to see if I can figure out why the fuck TwitchLib ain't working anymore. This didn't have errors before, and it does now, so... Right. What is... I don't know what that is. B. What is B? What? B? Who the fuck is B? twitchlib.client. Dot client? No. Dot Twitch client. Dot client. That thing? Oh, I don't want that. Ah. What if I... No. Oh, God. Barry B. Benson. I mean, it makes as much sense as anything else. Oh. Fuck. I did something. No, the issue is twitchlib.unity is being a bitch. Twitch. There'll be a more updated version, right? DLL somewhere. Yeah. Client position. Maybe this is it. Yes, but fuck it, let's just download this. Ain't using no DLLs. This shit can fuck off. You can fuck off. Come help you, Buddha. Alright. Get those little shits. Check. Beloved. Thanks, boys. Don't worry. I don't give up that easy. I mean, I said I would, but It's more for dramatic effect. Guess I'll go back to yeah. No, it failed. Project or whatever, operation delete library folder was big fail. Big fail. But I'm not giving up yet. I have a few more tricks up my sleeve. Oh, fuck off. All right. How about this one? For my next trick, we call this the drag the folder operation. And see if this works. Then equals stupid, you fucking dumbass. That doesn't make sense. No. No. What are you doing with that string? You gotta store it or print it. You can't just. You got my man. You got up your fucking Jesus. Up what, dude? All right. All right. Why you no likey? What wrong? Does not exist. I mean, what if I just replace this with that? Oh no, I needed that. Fuck. Okay, probably shouldn't have got rid of that. Wait, no. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Oh, I might have needed that. Fuck. Okay. Okay. Don't delete that. Fuck me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I get myself something to be right back. Well, you know where I'll be. You want me to code it? Really? I do. If you're gonna send code, it better be correct. Just saying. Slam the door. And I among us. You do you, bud. You do you. All right, one error. I can deal with one error. If I get rid of this error, is there going to be 50 more? That's what I want to know. Okay, why is this one being rude? You know what? Can I just get rid of it? Or is that just going to break everything? Does that work? What? Well, you know what? Base? Huh? 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 Why? There's that thing. There's a higher version than the reference assembly. Okay, what? What? Assembly. No good. No good. Um. Huh. This. Can I inherit from this? Oh. Huh. Doesn't make much sense. This doesn't make sense. God, I wish I was a better programmer. Have you heard of Twitch Prime? No, I have not heard of Twitch Prime. Okay, what would this want to do? Want to do this with null? Here's null. Can you just do it with nothing? Does it need a null? No. I like you. Which has a higher version than reference assembly. That with identity. That. Oh, it uses something that has a higher version. Ugh. I don't. Ew. Gross. This is the same thing, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Fuck. I no like. No makey sensey. Have you heard of YouTube Prime? Kick Prime. Oh god. Have you heard of Twitch? Maybe. Wrote a code and it gave me nothing. I don't understand. Welcome to programming. Lurking. I'll be dying. Bin Prime. There we go. That's the real thing. Dude, should I start my own live streaming platform? Rival Twitch. And replace Kick. The new up and comer. I'll just call it Bitch. Bitch Prime. I'm also dying. Yeah. Aren't we all? We're all dying. Just at different rates. Oh, wait. That. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Okay. Why is this? The assembly. Something to do with the assembly. This assembly. That's not even an assembly. Oh, god. Delete. Okay, maybe not delete. Maybe just drag outside because I might need that. Doesn't change anything. Good to know. Good to know. Do this. I'll drag this to there. I'm not dying. Dharma, we're all dying. That is a fact of life. God damn. Why? Why? A whole lot of red. Yep. Am I just dying faster? See, this guy gets it. He gets it. I don't get it. Isaac gets it. I don't get it. Unity assembly with identity uses comes up with Bing. Why is this on Bing? Who uses Bing? Fuck my life. I hate when there's nothing on the internet about it. Oh boy, come on. Just need a break. How long? 2 hours. Oh god. Oh. Let's go for 3, boys. Let's go for 3. He is still there. He is. Hello, Scuba. Welcome to fucking hell. Welcome to hell. Why this one line between me and damnation? Base is this, which it says it can be null. No work. What was an all-nighter? Dude. How do I use char? It's for single individual characters. No, B is a char. A is a char. S is a char. Characters, bro. Not too confusing. You know, but do you know? Sounds like you don't know. If people animate their own character, that hitboxes are the same. Sizes are limited. What? What are you talking about? I want to identify you. What? You want a varchar then? Or a string? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get why. Twitchlib.client. Twitchlib.client. This. This is the assembly, right? What's wrong with the assembly? It uses Microsoft extensions or Lambda abstractions, which has a higher version than the reference assembly. Microsoft. What? I know what this wants from me. Oh wait, this one and this one are two different things, right? Oh, they are two different. This one shouldn't even be referencing this one. Okay, wait a sec. So what's it trying to reference? No, I know what's trying to reference. It wants these, right? Wait. What does it want? Is this a new one or the old one? Fuck, I don't know. Something I deleted? Oh god, what are you typing? I don't get past the box. Or their own character. Yeah, I still don't get it. B-Day, January. Gone. It's gone. Update is drivers. No, this is assembly. Something. Fuck's an assembly. I get a copy of the game so I can test it. Yeah, no, don't download that game anymore. That game, shit game, don't work. Outdated. Late January to early Feb. I mean, it's like mid-January. On the later end of mid-January. So this. What did this reference before? This reference. Yeah, I'm just gonna download the thing. Problems on. '28. What are we talking about? Honestly, I don't know. Did you solve it? It doesn't look solved, does it? That looks like an error right there. Very errory. Oh god damn it. So you scuba. Eat Finfred. Hey, you'll stay here for now. I've got no reason to get rid of him. Why is GitHub so annoying? Even work. I don't know how GitHub works because I still to this day don't. And I has mod. Not a chance in hell. Way too many as is. It's just this one line, one little error. What the fuck? Brain's melting trying to learn char. Uh-huh. That smashing? Never heard of it. The installation of hip stuff. I don't know. Just GitHub in general. Shit. Hate it. Upset. I want to die. Like, they're saying that the assembly that is in, yes, is saying this uses this, a higher version than some other shit. Assembly twitchloop.client with identity twitchloop.client, which is this. Uses Microsoft.extensions.blogging.abstraction, yeah. Version 5, which has a higher version than referenced assembly version 3. Are there multiple abstraction things? There's only one. So what other thing is it referencing as a lower version? That doesn't make sense. What thing is it referencing? It's not referencing anything about. Well, I hate coding sometimes, which in particular. I'm going to use float or int with letters. Yeah. What? That's since show music. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, dude. You don't need this stress adding onto it. Oh, God. My life. Yeah, it looks like I'm not streaming today, boys. Bad times. I'm determined to get this done, even if I don't end up streaming. God. Dude. I can't even find the download is the worst part. I'm trying to fucking navigate, GitHub. This bullshit is terrible. Not just like a downloads page. I don't even know what the thing is called. I found it. No, what one of this fucking what is any of this? There's a go. Yeah. Uh, I don't know. Why now? Why does it break now? I don't know. I'm lost. I'm just lost. This stupid fucking dipshit line. What does this mean? And why is there nothing on the internet that tells me what it means? How do they expect anyone to learn? God damn. You know, it doesn't suggest anything. There's no anything. Doesn't let me. What? Okay, I'm lost. Getting even more lost by Gigaman's fucking coding problems as well. Oh, point here. Everything's going wrong. Reference. Look at the Discord. Yeah, no, I'm not even tackling another problem right now. I got a big one as is. I can't even begin. Unless it's easy. I have a glance at it. If it's easy, I'll do it. But if not. Yeah, no, I don't speak that language. Me no speaky. Unity ref version. I mean, I recommend you build the DLL internet. Ugh. Even when they talk about it, it still makes no sense. Maybe it's just an updated one. Or a lower one, actually. Well, okay, you know what? Getting rid of this as well. See what happens. Fuck it, because I don't know what else is going on. Pops are outside. What? What? Fucking Twitch, dude. Genuinely. Terrible. Terrible. Especially that fucking dev team. The whole reason I'm suffering is because of Twitch devs right now. So they can fucking do one. You know, this all breaks, which it would. Stop opening. I want to see this. Oh, well, I'm gonna. Something's gonna break. Either my mental sanity or my desk. Which one gives out first? I wonder. Two hours of this bullshit. Oh, I don't know. What do you want from me? Wait. Yeah, fuck you. I flip. Now's not the time. I'm suffering. Not the good kind, the absolutely fucking bullshit kind. What does this mean? What does any of it mean? Why is documentation so shit on the internet? Nothing about this. Everything that is doesn't speak English. Usually happens because you're trying to reference a library that was built for a newer version. Huh. But I don't get why it's Microsoft extensions to log into abstractions. Microsoft. It's the same thing, and there's only one of them, but it says two different versions. I can't even check. There's not even like. Doesn't even say it references it anywhere. Very nice. No. No, it's not. Makes no sense. I'm just trying to put my thing back to how it was. Well, you know what? I have a backup. Wait, where did I store it? Mega? Alright, so when was the most recent one? There. Can I just yoink? Lovely. Alright, so what do I need? I don't even know where this is from. Honestly, you can just fuck off. Wait, what is this? Why do I even need this? Oh, who knows? Delete, be gone. Now I'm gonna get everything to do with client. Drag this in. Probably still gonna break, but if it does, then that's a problem with this. Come on. This is quite possibly been my worst stream to date. On a personal level, at least. Too bad as well, because the last was like one of my favorite. Yes, life is a roller coaster, eh? Yeah, back to this bullshit. So, back to square one. This doesn't work because client with this. So if I just delete this. Drag this one in instead. You got this? I'll get it eventually. I always do, but it doesn't make it any easier. At least now you know what I go through and the behind the scenes. But damn daily basis. Normally not this hard, but when it's dealing with like new features or just stuff that isn't easy. More specialist topics. Come on. Load. Oh, and then we're back to here because this has errors. Why does this now have errors? Unable to resolve API. Oh. Okay, what if? Hang on a second, pub sub. You know, what if I just drag it all in? Honestly, what if I just drag it all in? You know what? Just fuck it. Everyone, back. Just gonna have two. Maybe they'll overlap, maybe they won't. I don't know. I think that's why it has errors. Just fuck it. You know, it's this is, you know, once you get to the desperation point, you can just send it. You can just send it. Oh, yeah, there's the errors, but maybe it's fixed it. Yeah, so now it's ambiguous because it doesn't know which API because there's two now. So I think I just need to go through and specify which one needs to reference. Right, what is this? API.core extension. I think I just need to delete one of the extensions, right? Wait, what's extensions? API.core. Where's extensions? There no extensions. It's also ambiguous. It's all going to be ambiguous. I go here, twitch.api.core extension. Where's this? Where is this? Date time extension. Date time extension is there. Off under core. It's ambiguous. What if I just delete? Does it go? Does the problem just go away? Nope, it creates 20 more. All right. I mean, I expected this. This is what I didn't want to do, but it looks like there's not going to be much choice. Look, this is ambiguous. HBI, yep. It exists in both. Oh, but where is it? What's the other one exist in? Twitch lib.api.helix.models. But we kind of want to leave that one. Here. Users, right? Yeah, user exists. It doesn't know which one to reference. Where can I change the name? So much easier. Or I could just get rid of this. I think I probably should just get rid of this. Right. Helix.models. This one. Delete. This might break this one now. At the time I have to go about to hope you get that. Yeah, I hope so too. Probably won't, but no one can dream. Alright, a few less errors. What's breaking now? 4 models. Delete, yes. I mean, this should be fine to delete them because there is another one that it can reference, you know. Because it's the errors are right now, it's trying to choose between two that, you know, are said to be the exact same thing. So if I just get rid of one, it shouldn't break the other one. Shouldn't break twitchlib.unity. Enums. Go on enums. Out of here. Ending stream. I probably should just ended stream. Back to this. Now this one doesn't know which one to do, right? Which API it wants. I want Twitch API. So can we just delete this? Or is that going to make Unity play up? Yeah, me neither, bud. Me neither. I have no idea. What I'm trying to do is make it work because there was an issue that it didn't re-twitch. Oh. Yeah, so this just breaks, right? Wait, copying the... What? Why would it... What does this mean? Oh, God. Unity. Some DLLs are locked. Is this being a bitch again? Bring that back. Door. What if I just rename this something? I just go here. Which API 2? Dave. Oh. Uh, wait. 2. Okay. Huh? And then it's back to this bullshit. What does this mean? Time to delete the library again. Fuck you, library. Delete. You don't want to copy, then you can get deleted. Desktop background? It's not from anything, I don't think. Well, wallpaper engine. Yeah, I think it's from anything. Oh, God. Skill issue, don't I know it? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Still gonna play up, isn't it? It always does. Tyler buff. Unloading. Broken assembly. Why are you broken? Guess I can't delete stuff here. Oh, God. Fuck it. You know what? Delete. Copy. Add. There we go. There we go. All right. Do I? I'm not living that life. I'm so because of the arrow. I am too, bud. I think we're talking about the same arrow. Wait, did I not add it back? Oh yeah, right. I only deleted it. Yong. Yeah, baby. Help yourself. Oh. Will it? I don't feel it. I can see so many people getting like hyped over this in the gym. Pump harder, pump harder. It's just up the notch. What the fuck? Okay, here we are. Pub sub models, eh? Never. This is so goofy. Ambiguous between Twitch, lib, pub sub extensions, Jason, right? And Twitch lib pub sub. Okay. This thing die here. Oh, it to yourself. Extensions. This delete. Oh, 33 more. Oh god. It exists. Both things. Twitch lib pub sub. This is Twitch lib pub sub events. On reward redeem. This one can go. Getting muted next stream. Bro. I don't think this is copyright or anything, is it? On follow. On prediction. Outcome. There's no outcome. Please. This is probably going to destroy everything, probably break everything, but honestly, I am beyond caring. What is this? Were you using the phone? Yeah? What? Prediction type. Enums. Delete. No, this activity is not worth $500. Ah, God. Outcome. Pub sub. models. Outcome. Rich get richer. Exactly. The hardest part is the first million. What they always say, isn't it? Enum's prediction status. Yeah. Anything else going to break? Oh, another 26 errors, boys. Aren't I lucky? Where's this one? API Helix. API Helix. Helix.models. Helix.models. Users. Get user. User. Delete. Only 26 hours to go. Exactly. 25 now. Channel information, which is models, channels, get channel information. Models, channels, get channel. See, this is probably just never going to end. It's just going to be... Yeah, I might as well just delete all of it, but I'm afraid to. There might be things I shouldn't delete. I have to do one by one. Ugh. Helix, models, streams, get streams. Streams, get streams, stream, right? Delete. Mi cumpleaños. 23. Goddamn. Channel team. In this team. Channel team. And team. Normal team. Follow. 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 Quite a few follows. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Really? Starting a poll? Bruh. Models use... Yeah, follow? I am not worthy. 16? Alright, that got rid of a few. Those are the best. I mean, alright. They're not the best, you know? Not the best. Oh? Choice. Choice. No more choice anymore. Dictatorship. Oh god, there's so many. Pubsub.events. Oh, we're back on Pubsub, are we? Events. View count. So on view count, on listen, matter formatted. Damn. This is so long. What's wrong with this now? Can I try? Models response. Yep. See. Closer, slowly. Slowly. Oh, there's the 13 again. Better formatted. This probably won't work in the end, and I'm just gonna have to go back to how I used to do it. It's gonna undo so much progress that I did yesterday. But I do it, I guess. Call API call tools, document chatters, chatter formatted, gone. There probably is an easier way to. But I don't care. I don't do this to be easy. I do this to work. I don't know why you're creating polls. It's just you and Lil in chat at the moment. Have a conversation. Let's see this API call enums user type deleter. Yeah. Oh, suppose. Back at 3. Helix models predictions. Outcome. On. This. Helix models. Helix models search. Channel. Hasn't completely fucked everything so far. Probably will in the future, but for the time being. All this. Sub. Okay. That might break everything. No. Well, yeah. These errors probably aren't the last bit. As soon as I clear these, more will show up. Period. API call. I'm gonna delete literally everything at this point. Period. Video sort. Video type. Wait. This is period. Yeah, that one as well. Listing. Who is better, cats or dogs? I feel like we've had this question. Everyone knows the answer. Obvious. See, let's models videos. Asking everyone. There isn't anyone here, Dom. They're either lurking or not talking. You don't need to feel the need to try and keep chat active. This isn't a normal stream. Off day. Next model. Okay. Shitloads more errors. Yep, 14 more errors. Oh, it's just going to be this over and over again, isn't it? I should just delete all of it, honestly. Wait, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? It's just going to make me delete all of it. Because they're all duplicated somewhere. Fuck it. Delete them all. Give a shit anymore. I'll just go back to the old way. I'm sick of this. 3 hours in. Does that to a guy. Alright, come on. Come on. Die. Gonna break now. All this gonna break. Over it. That's why I can't ban anyone anymore. God, fuck me. Figure out something else. Hey. Name of it? Maybe? Two. 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 Let's just rename it all. Add a 2 to the end of everything. If that fucking helps. This. Yep. Right, I forgot. This. S. Where is this? Ambiguous between. What? Oh, I'm gonna have to change it for all of them. God. Twitch lib 2. Yeah. No, pub sub 2. No, fuck. Twitch lib 2. All of these. Twitch lib 2. The only one. Oh, God. Go through all of these and do it. Look, they're all fucking. Oh, God. Just to separate the two fucks. Probably a better way to do this, but I don't know how. I think this will work. Just needs to be separated somehow. All of them. Okay. Thank you for streaming. Oh, yeah, I don't thank myself for streaming. It was a dumb idea. Been suffering. Similar. Anyway, see you, dumb. Oh, look how many there are. Which doesn't even work in the end. And it's all going to be for nothing. Goddamn everything. Oh, I need some fucking motivational music. Zero. Oh, and I got to change all these. This is kind of cringe. This'll do. Oh, look at those. You know what? I'm just going to sit in silence, honestly. Just sit in silence. I don't need to talk anymore. My throat hurts. If you need me, let me know. Good night, Tantua. Sleep tight. Yeah, it's still not fixed. And I'm losing all hope at this point. It's fading. The light is fading. I'm just working in silence. I did nothing to say to this piece of shit program. Fuck Twitch is all I can say. caused all this pain by removing bot commands. If they hadn't, I wouldn't be doing this. Don't give up. I'm trying. I'm trying. You can see what I've got to do here. Oh, God. One by one. Trying to separate these two things so they're different. And it's taken. But hopefully it pays off. Probably won't. Probably end up just scrapping the whole system. The bot won't be able to send commands. I'm just going to forever hate Twitch. But I think that's already solidified. So, but yeah. Good times. What even is this? Leave empty for now. Who does that? Hang on a second. I could probably just change the names of these. You know what? Yeah, let's try that. Fuck it. I'm not going doing all that. That's just not happening. Not happening. So many folders, downloads. This one. Drag. Wait. Drag. Whatever this. Can't change one. Maybe I can change the other. That'll probably, hopefully, save me a bit of time. Oh, damn. Is it done? No. That way was just taking too long. I realized I could probably just do this one instead. Put two in front of all these. This is a lot faster and hopefully works the same. And if this all ends up not changing anything and it only still displays one message, yeah, somebody's dying. Probably me. Final one. Let that compile. Hit me with your errors. Hit me with your errors. In a while. Back. Oh, I thought you were just leaving me. Oh, going for a bit. I see. All right. Change one thing. What broke? Right. Testing. Testing should just be deleted anyway. Delete. Okay. Format OAuth. Oh, I know this problem. This format OAuth thing. Dude, this hurt me one for a while. Where is it? There. 4. 4? No. What is it? One of these has a helpers. API? API. No? Which one is it? Forget. Right now I have to search it again. Go in folder. Back to O. Here? Here. Helpers under api.core.common. Oh, it's common, not core. There we are. See this fucking thing. So long. Caused me so much grievance. Another one somewhere. Not much has changed yet. This is ambiguous between or change the name. Ah, wait, no, that's the thing. How does it make API 2? Which lib 2? What? Because it hasn't compiled yet. Or does that just not work? Why not? No, that's not right. No. Switch lib to API. Let's make this 2. Okay. Is empty. Make this one 2. How I solve my problems, just add a 2. Okay. Oh god. Yeah. Wrong. Ambiguous. Wait, why is it ambiguous? Huh. Hmm. Switch lib 2. Oh god. Ah, fuck a duck. There was only one way to do it. Okay. Who's gonna die? Who's gonna die? Feel my will slipping away. Just fuck off. All of this. Just get out of it. I am done. I'm done with it. backpacking is a good relaxing game. Especially in that game. Nice. Designing things. Rooms. Uh. Yeah. Fix that later. That later. What if ban user? What if we just take like the bits we need from the ban user sub? Ban user. That one. What does it say? What does it say? Cannot be found. Forward it. I literally imported it. Wow. Does that just work? Moderation does not contain. I should probably have the whole thing. Maybe this will work. Does that not do a thing? Hmm. That doesn't do anything. Why does this not contain? Why? Moderation. Oh. This is pissing me off. Can't change this. God, why? Why do I have both? Why do I have to choose between extra like features and a functional chat? Why is that even an option? Quite possibly the stupidest fucking thing I've ever encountered. Journey. Why, Twitch? Why do you make this a thing? I can't blame it, it's Amazon, so. What did you plan for today's stream? Well, I can't spoil it. I have to postpone it to Thursday. Thing. I. Just delete the whole project while I'm at it. Well, there's no salvaging this stream. We're going 3 hours. It's not fixed. Even if I got it fixed at this point, it's way too late. So, fuck it. This has been quite possibly my worst stream to date. So, great. I was looking forward to today's stream as well. I felt so good before this. Now I just feel like shit, and I blame Twitch. I blame Twitch entirely. Everyone has bad days. They do. It's just a shame. It's just a shame. Fucking Twitch. Anyway, I'm out. I'm gonna go eat and I don't know. Think more about how the fuck I fix this. It's still entertaining. Really? I don't know. I just find it torture. So at least somebody gets something out of it. But anyway. Yeah. See you later, boys. No outro. You know, it doesn't work. See ya.